Salam Archer, good day to all of you folks. Today I would like to show you the brief operation of this arrow analyzer. In front of me there's a two type of the analyzer, the standard one and the pro one. The difference between two this is the pro one can measure up to 150 lbs ammo spine, and this one 85 lbs ammo spine, and this one has a SD card, so you can easily record your measurement, point measurement, arrow weight measurement, and spine brightness in the SD card, and then later you can upload it to your laptop or your PC and transfer it to the Excel, Windows, Microsoft Excel. So this will make much easier for your job. Okay, first I would like to inform you the important part of this analyzer. First, it has a arrow rest, we call it arrow rest. This is A side arrow rest and this is a B side arrow rest. The B side has a slot, so now you can slide off your arrow and move it back and forth. So when you have a longer arrow and a longer fletching feather, it would be no problem anymore, and it can slide easily. Okay, and then we have we call it this head reference. This is a half-inch head reference. It should use up to the center to the bottom of the shaft. So you have to make sure bottom of your shaft will touch the upper part of the head reference, and bottom part of the head reference touch the center pad. Okay, so the measurement will be accurate. If not, the measurement will not accurate. So you can adjust the center pad can be adjusted accordingly. So it will make a half-inch space between bottom part of the shaft and the upper part of the center part. Okay, and then we have a rotary encoder. It can be returned right or clockwise and left anti-clockwise, and then it can be pushed like a button, and then it has a digital display that displays all your measurement of this analyzer. Okay, let us start. First, plug the USB cable that included in this shipment. Plug it carefully to the USB port of the analyzer, to the adapter. You should use this adapter because this fast charging adapter version 3. If not, this unit may be running not not good, maybe result a false display or other thing. If not, if you don't have this but we receive it with the package, you can use the fast charging adapter from iPhone or maybe Android. Okay, let me plug it to the after plug the line, the unit will on and the display will show up the startup display, and then quickly shows the put arrow. It means that the unit is ready and you can start measurement. You can start measure the shaft or the point. Okay, but first we try to measure the point. You can measure the point on the S side or B side. Let's start the B side. Okay, it shows 100 grain on the B side, and the E side it shows the 100 grain. While it shows the 100 grain, in grain you can change the unit to the gram by turning the rotary encoder to the right one time. Then if you want to save your data to the SD, just turn it again to the right. It says make micro SD ready. Turn right again and the data will save. Okay, then after measuring the point, while the display shows a put arrow, you can measure the arrow weight. Just put the arrow on the rest and it will show the weight of the arrow, 26.1 gram, 403 grams. Okay, then if you want to save the data, just turn it to the right, write down, and the data is saved. Okay, while you put arrow on the rest, you can measure the GPP, GPI and FOC of the arrow. For FOC, you should make sure the space from the back of the rest to the bottom of the point is similar with the back of the B rest to the bottom of the knob. So this is just a estimation, right? This is estimation. Okay, then you click one. Now the display change to the parameter. Draw weight, DW is draw weight, DL is draw length, and AL is arrow length. For your information, the DW is your actual draw weight. It's not the bow draw weight, but your actual draw weight. Let's say if your draw weight is 40 lbs at 28 inch, if you draw the bow 29 inch, your draw weight will become approximately is 45 lbs. Okay, you can set your actual draw weight here by turning right or turning left the encoder. Now we for example we set it 50. Then we want to set the DL, click it and you set your draw length, your actual draw length. Then click it again. This is your arrow length. Then after that you click it again. It will show your GPP, GPI and FOC as display on the screen. Okay, if you want to measure the spine, you just push the center of the arrow to the center pad. The screen will show bend arrow, wait until it shows stop bend and you release your hand, then it will show you the spine measurement. Okay, and if you want to measure the straightness of the arrow, we can go directly, or if you want to change your arrow, just take this arrow out of the arrow rest and the screen will show again the put arrow. Okay, now if you want to measure the straightness, click this button and it will say rotate arrow 180 degrees, and you rotate 180 degrees, you push it, bend arrow, stop bend, and the trick is you take the arrow out of the arrow rest, then it will show you the straightness. This is just illustration. You can see another measurement. You can save the data. Okay, if you want to go back to the initial display, put arrow, just click this, then you can go ahead with another arrow, just like this. Okay, that is a brief explanation for the operate this analyzer. Okay, see you. Ciao.